And it is cold and windy. So this side of the tarp is holding up good. This side opened up, I might have to get a bigger tarp. And then this whole covering here, last night, oh man, it totally blew off. Everything blew off, so spent all night holding it down again, strapping it down, and it held up to the wind last night. So man, that was a lot of work in the cold. I gotta get a new tarp on this side because yeah, it's fans are still working good. It's got good temperature in there now, but whew, that was a lot of work last night, tying all this down all by myself in the cold. Hopefully it'll be ready for this weekend. Hopefully not so windy too. Alright.